Okay, so hello there ladies and gents. The reason I'm making this video is because I've been having a problem with my engine, my gearbox in particular, and I couldn't find any help on YouTube or Google or forums or whatsoever. So this is my GSXR 750 SRAD. What happens is I heard a weird scratching noise while I was driving, and I pulled over, and I was driving with a club, and they got the pickup truck and everything, and they took me home basically. So here's my engine. Now the problem I had was while I was on the side of the road, I heard a scratching noise and I pulled over, and in second gear, if you lean the bike to the left, the noise is completely gone. But as soon as you lean to the right, it sounds like a gear trying to catch, but not catching, if you know what I mean. It's kind of a grinding noise, but it's not grinding noise constantly. It's like, but it's a very weird noise. So this is the problem I found out to be. If I can go in here now, anybody that knows anything about a gearbox engine should know basically that this is your gear selector arm. You have 3 of these that go on your gear selector drum over here. Where's my knife? Okay, on the gear selector drum. Now they glide in these 3 grooves over there. Now basically what happens is, as you probably should know, that if you turn your axle, some of the gears are connected to it and some are not, as you can see over there. So then when you select your gear, this gear will slide to the right and lock in with those dogs. You can see those square thingies. They half select into each other, and that's how you select different gears. Now I'm not going to explain the gearbox because that's not what this video is about. This video is about me that burned my gear selector fork. One of them in particular, this one. Now what happened is, as you can see, that this one can't move. Well, it moves, but not a lot. And then this one moves a lot. I mean, like, that's a lot of movement. If you go back to previous position, then that is a lot of movement, and it's not supposed to do that. As you can see on the right side of this gear, is burn marks, and you can see it's scratched against something. These silver things they make on the side, and also you can see this over there. You can see it's completely scratched out over there too. So what happens is I shift without my clutch a lot, and then this fork has a lot of pressure on them. So what happens is I basically just burned it. So it's not fitting tight anymore. And then what happens is when this gear moves to the right side, as you can see, the gear next to it also moves because they are completely one gear. And then on the side, these dogs are trying to catch because it's moving, but yet it cannot catch because there's not enough movement. So the problem is I have to replace this arm,